Welcome to the Bluebeam Revu tutorial by Brighter Graphics. In this video, we will see how to add actions and hyperlinks to PDFs and markups in Revu. Let's see how you can do so. After opening Revu 21, go to the Files menu and open your desired PDF document. Zoom into the PDF region where you want to add actions. For example, let's add an action here. You can also create dedicated buttons with different markups. First, create any markup, like a rectangle around the text or region where you want to add actions. Then right-click on the markup and go to the Edit Actions option from the menu, or you can hold the shortcut keys Ctrl+Shift+E. Under the Action dialog box, you have various options, including actions to jump within the document or open external links or files. If you check the Jump to option, you can add an action to open a specific page with a custom view window when clicking your action region. You can also add a jump to a specific place on your PDF by checking this option and clicking the Create button. First, give your place a name in the Place dialog box. You can jump to a region on any desired page for the current or snapshot view. To use snapshot view, click the Get Rectangle button and make a rectangular selection by clicking and dragging the cursor to set the view window. Once you are done, the Place dialog box will start showing the coordinates of your selection below. Next, click OK to proceed. To place an action, again click OK. This flash icon here shows that your desired action is added to this region. If you click this icon on Unflattened Markup, Revu will jump to the PDF region you selected with a snapshot view. To undo this action, simply press Ctrl+Z keys. Let's explore other actions available in Revu. You can also jump to snapshot view directly from here by enabling the snapshot view option. Similarly, you can jump to any custom space you created on your PDF. If you enable the Open option, you can add an action to open your desired files or folders in Bluebeam Revu. Next, you can also add links to websites by enabling the hyperlink option. For instance, let's add a link to our website. This option is perfect for adding links to stamps or images. And here you go. Simply click the flash icon. Then wait for Revu to establish a connection and open the site. If you want to make this markup invisible and permanent, decrease the opacity of the line from the Markups toolbar at the top. Alternatively, decrease the line thickness to make it disappear. Then, right-click on the markup and click Flatten to make it permanent content on your PDF. After doing so, the flash icon will disappear, and when you hover your cursor over the region with action, you will be prompted to open the link. You can also flatten all the markups on your document by going to the Document tab at the top and clicking the Flatten option below. This is it for today. Don't forget to watch our detailed video on how to design and edit PDFs in Bluebeam Revu. For more Bluebeam tips and tricks, stay connected with Brighter Graphics, your go-to partner for all things Bluebeam.